In this video, we are going to explore how to become a vendor inside Elevate, Laravel Ecommerce and Multivendor marketplace platform. Any registered customer can launch their own store in seconds. From your customer dashboard, simply click the Become a Vendor button. Your basic details are already filled in for you. All you need to do is give your store a unique name and write a compelling description to attract your first buyers. Once you're ready, hit Apply to be a vendor. Now, let's see how it looks from the admin's perspective. Applications appear instantly in the Application submenu. As an admin, you have full control. Review the request and click Approve to welcome a new seller, or reject if the details aren't quite right. Once approved, the store moves to the Approved Applications tab, and the vendor is officially open for business. It's that simple to scale your marketplace with Elevate. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to master our powerful features.